Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of inverse trigonometric functions that we have here, and the question says that if n belongs to natural numbers and the expression given to us is that cot inverse of 3 plus cot inverse of 4 plus cot inverse of 5 plus cot inverse of n, the entire expression is given to us as equals to pi over 4. So we have been asked to find the value of n in this case. So that's the question asked to us. Let's see how to solve this question further. Before starting off with the solution for this question that we have here, I would like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel and support the channel as well, because it takes lots of efforts in making these videos for you on everyday basis, and it is free for you but also motivates me to put up better content and try to make the solutions as easy as possible so you understand them in a better way. Let's try to solve this question now. So if I use the idea first of all that I have here cot inverse of x plus cot inverse of y. If I do it, it's basically cot inverse of x into y minus 1 divided by x plus y. So if I use that idea here for these two expressions that I have here, so cot inverse of 3 plus cot inverse of 4, if I figure out, it is cot inverse of 3 into 4 minus 1, so 12 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 4, which is 7. So I get cot inverse of 11 over 7. And the second one, if I do it, it says cot inverse of 5 plus cot inverse of n. So that gives me cot inverse of 5n minus 1 divided by 5 plus n. So we have both of these ideas with us. Now, if I use the idea here and try to do the question, so if I put this and this results here, my expression becomes cot inverse of 11 over 7 plus cot inverse of 5n minus 1 divided by 5 plus n is equals to pi over 4. So if I use that idea, I get cos inverse of or cot inverse of x into y minus 1. So that gives me 11 over 7 into 5n minus 1 over 5 plus n minus 1 divided by this plus this. So you give this as 11 over 7 plus 5n minus 1 over 5 plus n is equals to pi over 4. So this cot inverse, if I take it on the other side, basically becomes cot of pi by 4, and cot of pi over 4 is basically 1. So I get this entire expression, which is in the bracket, this entire expression as equals to 1. So 11 over 7, 5n minus 1 divided by 5 plus n minus 1 over 11 over 7 plus 5n minus 1 divided by 5 plus n. The entire expression of this is equals to 1. And if I further try to solve this idea, let's see how do I do it. So I get 11 over 7, 5n minus 1 divided by 5 plus n minus 1 is equals to this entire expression in the denominator goes there and gets multiplied by 1. So I get this as 11 over 7 plus 5n minus 1 divided by 5 plus n. So once I get this, let's try to further solve it. So 11, 5n minus 1, which is multiplied with that. This 7 and 5 plus n gets multiplied with 1 and gives you this divided by 7 and 5 plus n. So we have this, and this is, if I cross multiply, I get 11 times 5 plus n plus 7 times 5n minus 1 divided by 7 times 5 plus n. So once I have this, I'll cancel this and this. So from here, I get this as 55n minus 11 minus 35 minus 7n is equals to 55 plus 11n plus 35n minus 7. So further, if I try to solve this, I get 55n minus 7n, which is 48n, minus 11 minus 35, which is minus 46, is equals to 55 minus 7, which is 48 again, and 11 plus 35n, I get this is also 46n. So if I further try to solve it, I get 48n minus 46n is equals to 48 plus 46. So further, I get this is 2n is equals to 94, and if I further try to solve this, I get n is 94 over 2, which is 47. So once I get the answer for the question, and it was asking me to figure out the value of n, and I got the value of n turning out to become 47. So that is the answer for the question that we have here that is asked to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. So this question was pretty easy. We have to just use only one formula for the entire question, and that is cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. That gives me cot inverse of xy minus 1 divided by x plus y. So this is how you solve this question. I hope you have understood how to solve this. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing, please do like the videos as well, and do comment and share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE mains. So they can also take the benefit from these questions that we are solving. Thank you.